Welcome to Creative Moments by G. We are so happy to be with you today. We are all about table and party favors. Let me show you this wonderful candy slider. Now this is so easy to make, but yet it is so cool. Look at all you have to do. You simply pull on the bow and out pops your candy bar. Now how cute is that? This is a Thanksgiving design, but stick around with us until the end because we have some Christmas and some Halloween candy sliders to show you. Today, we are going to make with you a Christmas candy slider. So let's head down to the crafting table and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is get you a 6x6 piece of paper, and this design works perfectly with the designer series paper that you can buy that is 6x6. Now we do have to make a few score lines, and the score lines are so easy to make. You simply score at a half, and then we're going to scoot it over and score at 3 1/4. Now what I do is I go ahead and turn it one more time and just score this bottom at a 1/4 because that's going to be the bottom of our candy slider. And that's all you have to do. So we are going to look and see where our lines are and go ahead and simply score that. Go ahead and give it a good crease. And then you can feel your 1/4 of a score line right here. We're just going to go ahead and crease that. And we are going to use some tape to go ahead and get this put together. Now, we're going to put our tape right here on this area that we scored. And we're also going to run some tape right here at the bottom. Now, we're going to fold this over and fold it like this. Now the reason I put this fold on the outside is because the candy bar is going to make it bubble. And if this was on the inside, it just sometimes comes apart. So I really like to have this creased really well and just fold that flap over the outside of it to really hold it. And now we're going to go ahead and push this down at the bottom. And let me show you what that looks like. And now you can just slide your candy bar right in there. Look at that, so cute. Now we're gonna decorate the front of this candy slider. So we are bringing in our strips of paper that we're going to put just like this. And remember, all the dimensions will be listed over on creativemomentsbyg.com. And we sure would appreciate it if you would take just a moment and go ahead and subscribe and share our channel and give us a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and adhere these two pieces together. And we wanted just a very small border. So that's why you really don't see much, because we did want you to be able to see this beautiful candy cane effect on this candy slider. So now we're going to bring in our stamp, and we're going to use Memento, and we are using the cutest stamp set, Snowman Season. So cute. And we are going to make this little tree green. So what we're going to do is just put him right there in the green. Okay. Look at that little snowman. Isn't he cute? Now we're going to go ahead and bring in Let It Snow right there, and we're going to use our Real Red to do that. We're also going to bring in some snowflakes that you have in your stamp set. And now we're going to color his hat. We're bringing in our Cherry Cobbler and our Granny Apple Green to color his scarf and his hat. And you can't forget his nose. We're going to go ahead and color that with our Pumpkin Pie. Now we're going to use our runner one more time. Now you need to punch a hole right here so that we can put the ribbon through it. So we're just going to use a hole punch. And now let me show you where the magic starts. Simply take your ribbon. You can take 1 or 2 strands, but we're going to take some beautiful colors that I feel would look so pretty. And we are simply going to see how long we need it. We need it about this long. And we're going to thread that through our punched hole. Just like this. Now, before we put our candy bar, we want to go ahead and give him a little color on his buttons. So we're going to bring in some rhinestone. And now all you have to do is push that down just a little bit and make sure you have the same amount of ribbon in the front and the back. Bring in your candy bar and simply push it down. That's all you have to do. So let's go ahead and just tie a knot. We're going to trim that just a little bit. And there you have a wonderful table favor, a party favor, and all you have to do to get your candy bar out is just pull it so quickly. This is also a fantastic craft fair item that you know people would buy because maybe they don't want to take the time to make it. But remember I said stay with us because we have some others that we want to show you. Now, I showed you this beautiful Thanksgiving one. Look at that. We used our 6x6 paper again, our beautiful stamp set. We added some rhinestones. Here is another Christmas candy slider. Now look at this beautiful poinsettia. We embossed this with our white powder. Isn't that gorgeous? We also made another Merry Christmas one using this cute as a button, delivering cheer. Isn't she adorable? And then we wanted to go ahead and create a Halloween one. We simply used our adorable stamp set, Frightfully Cute. And once again, you simply pull on the ribbon and out pops the candy bar. Well, we hope you enjoyed this quick lesson on how to make a table or a party favor that everyone is sure to love. If you received a little bit of inspiration, please take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. Go out, make it a fantastic day. Be kind to yourself and others. Be creative in your crafting, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.